Good day, everyone. Today we're going to present our project proposal.
Each student of NSTP has the role in the society they belong, especially in engaging themselves to activities contributory to the general welfare as what the components are hit to. Hence, they may be engaged into community servicing or participate in outreach program as mentioned by Bayat A, Vergontin G, Yengopol B, Rodolph MJ 2011, the three main goals of an outreach program are to improve learning, promoting civic engagement, and strengthening communities through addressing their societal needs. An outreach program creates a partnership between the communities and the educational institution. Such programs build on each other's strengths and develop their rules as change agent for improving health, professions, knowledge, civic responsibility, and the overall health of communities.
The title is we educate a free tutorial project proposal for the selected youth from the community of Menzi, Dahican, Mati City. Uh, Now, in the present time, technologies are in demand, and knowing the fundamentals of the computers are important. Many people, especially the youth, doesn't know how what are the proper ways to operate a laptop or computer. Now in April 16 and April 23, 2022, we will pick a few youths to instruct on every Saturday about how to operate a computer. We can assist them learn and develop their abilities in this way, ensuring that they do not fall behind uh, who can use a computer or laptop. Now, the target group for this project will be the selected a youth from the community of Menzi, Dahican, Mati City, to show or to teach them how to operate a laptop computer. There are students who do not know how to operate basic or fundamentals of computers, such like PowerPoint presentations, editing, and many more. Now, the date of implementation of this project will be uh, April 19 and April 23, every Saturday.
Objectives, activities, outputs, personnel, and budgeting. Objectives: to improve their computer literacy, to improve their abilities in editing, encoding, and creating PowerPoint presentation, to teach those pupils how to utilize a laptop. In activities, self-introduction, introduction of program, step-by-step presentation of the tutor. It be deducted by April 16, 2022. Face-to-face tutorial between the tutor and the tutee. Snacks. One-by-one presentation of selection student to test their learning in April 23, 2022. So, in outputs, PowerPoint outputs or duties, encoding text with graphs, tables, and specific formats, and editing video. So, the personal person involved to accomplish the project, it is selected students, program conductors, tutors. So, the budget is around 900 plus 1,500 plus 200 equals 2,600 pesos.
E. Line item budget. For budget item 1 is Wi-Fi load and snacks. For particulars, load is 100 pesos. Estimated cost is 900 pesos. Rice with chicken is 218 and estimated cost is 590. And water is 20 and estimated cost is 60. Biscuits is 50 and estimated cost is 100. And for budget item 2, materials for presentation, Tarpaulin is 190 and its estimated cost is 190. And printing hard copies is 150 and its estimated cost is 150. And uniform t-shirt printing is 80 and estimated cost is 400. And total budget is 2,390 pesos.
Budget sourcing. Counterpart of the university expected from the university is projected. Counterpart of the outreach group or organization. Expected amount from the outreach group or organization is 700. Counterpart of the target group. Expected amount of the target group is 500. Source of funding, solicitation, and donation. The total expected amount is around 2,200.